YouTube, it's your boy Cam from the KTA Kitchen. Guys, today we have a brand new video. So today, as you see by the title of this video, we're gonna be making bread. But today we are not going to be using an oven. We're just going to be using local methods. Let's see if it comes out good. You feel me? So let's run this video and let's get it. Peace. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, turn your notifications on, comment down below what you think about the video, like the video, share the video.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this wrong.
So the ingredients include salt, flour, milk, sugar, yeast, butter and sesame seeds. Add half a cup of milk in a bowl. Then put in 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add in yeast, 1 tablespoon. Mix very well and let it settle. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour in the mixture. Add salt, half tablespoon. Then mix with a spatula until the dough gets together with the mixture. Then begin kneading with the hands. Let the dough rest for 20 minutes. Cover the bowl with something close, paper towel or something. Then spread the dough on the table or flat surface. Add unsalted butter 2 tablespoons. Then knead the dough very well. Spread the dough on the table in order to spread the butter throughout the dough. Knead the dough until it's nice and clean so that it is no longer sticking on the fingers, on the hands. Put it back in a bowl, then cover it for 1 hour in order for it to rise. Then remove the dough, put it back on the table. You can either knead it one more time or you just cut pieces of bread that you want to use. So in this one we have divided into 8 parts. So we are going to get piece by piece, then we are going to make a round hole out of the dough. After, we're going to spread unsalted butter throughout the pan, and we're going to spread sesame seeds on the butter with. We're also going to put the dough on the sesame seeds, and we are going to cover it for 1 hour to let it rise again. So after 1 hour, we are going to put the dough on. After 10 minutes, we are going to spread unsalted butter on top of the dough. So for now, it is beginning to become like bread. It has risen. Cover it. Then turn to also burn the other part. After 10 minutes, you can remove the bread. It's ready for consumption. Put it on a wire mesh, put it on a plate, then check it out. It is a nice and soft bread, very fluffy. So guys, thank you very much
Before
for
we get into the
watching.
video, make sure you smash the like button,
Like,
subscribe
subscribe
to
to the
this channel if
channel
you're
and
new,
turn on
and
notifications
comment down
on.
below what
Comment
y'all
down
think.
below
Give me
what y'all
video
think about
ideas,
the
share
video.
everything, you feel me? Ask a
Share
question,
the
ask
video.
everything, you feel me?
We out.
So,
Peace.
share the video, and we out. Peace.